अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। अॼु असां वटि 6 क्लास जी साइंस आहे ऐं 6 क्लास जी साइंस में जेको फर्स्ट चैप्टर आहे उन जा कुझु MCQs टाइप तव्हांखे कुझु क्वेश्चन आहिनि उहे तव्हांखे ॾियूंसि था। चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट आहे सेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल सेल। विच पार्ट ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोप कंटेन द लेंस। इन जो जेको ऑप्शन आहे उहो आई पाइस आहे एंड आई पीस। उनखां पोइ विच पार्ट ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोप मैग्निफाइज द इमेज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर द ऑब्जर्व। इन जो आई पीस है। आई पीस इज also called as a ocular lens. A tube that extends from eyepiece to the objective lens is called body tube. Which part of microscope resolve the circular structure containing the objective lens is nose piece. Which part of microscope receives light from object to from a magnified image is called objective lens. Which object holds the microscope is called arm. Which part of supports the microscope slides is called stage. And which part of microscope provides light source. Which part controls the amount of light entering the objective lens is called diaphragm. Which part of support microscope in a stable position is base. And who discovered the cell in 1665 is called Robert Hooke. Which is basic unit of the building block of life is called cell. Now animal cell. A thin partially permeable layer around the animal cell which control the substance the enter and exit is called cell membrane. A jelly-like substance which contains all the cell organelles is called cytoplasm. Many chemical reactions occur in which area of cytoplasm. Which part of the control all the chemical reaction of the cell nucleus. Which part of cell contain DNA and other genetic material is nucleus. And the nucleus is nucleosomes and chromatins are present in nucleus. And the nucleus of animal cell is surrounding by nuclear membrane. And nuclear membrane is also referred to as nuclear envelope and thread-like material that are passed down from parents to the their offspring are called chromosome. Chemical instructions are stored by chromosome. A flat sac like originally located near nucleus and involved in manufactured, storing and packing and transporting the particle throughout the cell is called Golgi appearance. Powerhouse of a cell is called mitochondria. An organ of cell that stores water, food and waste is called vacuoles. Now plant cell cells is also consist of cell membrane. Cell wall is absent in animal cell but present in plant cell. Cell wall of plant cell is found outer the cell membrane. Cell wall of plant cell is made up of cellulose which originally of plant cell form the biggest part of the cell, large vacuole. Tiny discs present in the plant cell are called chloroplast. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll. Plant cells have three extra following components: a vacuole, chloroplast and cell wall. Which cell have a definite shape because of their rigid cell wall, plant cell. Which cell have only one large vacuole, plant cell. And microorganism usually contain of how many cell, is called single cell. And perimecium and amebia are unicellular organism. And Chlamydomonas and Euglena are unicellular plants. A group of cells doing the same function form is called tissues. Which tissues bring movement in an animal's body? Muscles tissue. And which tissues protect all of body surface? Epithelial tissues. And epithelial and muscles tissues are tissues of animals. And which tissues protect plant from injury and prevent it from dying? Epidermal tissues. And which tissues makes food for the plants through photosynthesis? Photosynthetic tissues. Different tissues that perform the same function for form and organs. Which organ of a human body stores the digested food? Is liver. And which organs of human body is purify the blood? Is lungs. Food factory of plants are referred to as leaves. Which part transports food from the leaves to all other parts of the plants? Is streams. And which parts helps in the reproduction of the plant? Is called flower. And which parts of reproduction is called study जो पढ़े उसी. अच्छा, which parts of absorb the water and dissolve minerals from the soil? Is called roots. And several organisms carrying out the same function from a system. The whole plants is divided into two main systems, namely root system and shoot system. Which system involves those parts that grow below the soil? Is root system. Which system involves those parts of that grow below the above the soil? Is shoot system. And different system in body make up an organisms. इति असांजा जेके जेको सेकंड चैप्टर फर्स्ट चैप्टर वो MCQs टाइप ते कंप्लीट